Today we're hooking up the Laundry Boss point of sale system. First, flip your cash drawer over like so. On the underside, you will see a communication port. On some models, this port may be on the rear at this location. Insert the communication cable, which looks quite like a phone line, into this port and set it aside. Bring out the Laundry Boss printer and flip it over. Insert the other end of the communication cable from the cash drawer to the printer, like so. Connect the printer to the network. Note that it has to be on the same network as the point of sale screen. And finally, for the printer, insert the power cable and turn it back over. You can turn the cash drawer over now as well. Slide the printer back so that it is out of your way. Next, bring up the point of sale tablet and place it on top of the cash drawer. Tilt it back and look underneath to reveal the ports. Insert the Ethernet cable in the LAN port. Insert the power cable. Into the DC in port. Next, bring out your scanner. Place the scanner on the table and assemble the stand. There is a screw on the bottom. It can be unscrewed and removed. Then the stand will be placed in the holder and the screw replaced in the bottom. In the bottom of your scanner, you will find a USB dongle. Remove it from the bottom of the scanner and place it in one of the USB ports on your POS tablet. Be sure not to lose this dongle, as if you do, it will make this scanner useless. Place the scanner onto the stand. Stand up your point of sale tablet and power it on. Adjust the screen to your liking. Once your Laundry Boss tablet boots up, if it does not automatically take you to the POS app, open it and push Laundry Boss POS. The application should come pre-configured for your site. And that is how you set up the Laundry Boss point of sale.